I mentioned earlier that if you offer other services, this is a good time of year to start promoting those services to your customers. I really think that's true. Like if you are not in the habit of contacting your customers and offering them your other services anyways, that's something you should be doing. But when you are slow, if you have a slow time of year, or if you have a slow week or a slow month or something like that, and you're trying to fill spots in your schedule, it's great to just reach out to your customers with a quick message and let them know, hey, I have a special on upholstery cleaning, or hey, did you know we offered area rug cleaning? So if you've got area rugs that need to be picked up, need pet treatment, we'll pick them up, bring them back to you when they're done. You can reach out to your customers and you can offer that sort of thing. But I want to mention email, because everybody who's a client at BookCleaningJobs right now, we've already set up email marketing for you. We set this up for you when we were setting up your website. And so you have the ability to email your list from inside of the CRM right now. If you'd like to send out an email blast, an email to your subscribers, to your customers, to let them know that you're running an upholstery cleaning special, or that you're offering area rug cleaning services, or tile and grout cleaning, hardwood refinishing, stone, right? Whatever countertop services. If you want to offer any of those niche services to your clients, if you want to get that message out there, email is a great way to do it. If you're a client of Book Cleaning Jobs, you can go to bookcleaningjobs.com and there's a link to log into the CRM. You might have to search to find it. I believe it's down at the bottom of the website, but you should also have an email from when we created your account for you. So search your inbox for this, because you have a login to your CRM. And when you log into your CRM, you have the ability inside of here to do a whole bunch of different things. If you click on this marketing tab right here, one of the things you can do is you can actually send emails. Inside of the CRM, all of the people who filled out a lead form on your website or chatted with the chat widget on your website, all of those people are saved inside of your CRM. So you could send an email out to all of those people and let them know that you are offering a rug cleaning special right now. And that if you have pet odor or pet stains, you offer pet treatment as well. You could put together an email. Maybe you don't know how to write an email. That's okay. You can use ChatGPT. But you could put together an email and send it out to all of the people on your list by clicking this button right here that says create campaign, and just literally starting from a blank email. I'd recommend you start with this plain text editor. I don't think you need to get into fancy designs and all that stuff. You could get into that later if you want to get more advanced, but start with the plain text editor and you can literally type out a message to your customers and let them know about the special that you're running. Once that's filled out, you could literally just send this email. If you want to schedule it for the future, you'll click this schedule button up here, and then you can select the date and the time that you want to send this email out. And then you would hit review and schedule. And that's it. Hit that big blue button and your email is scheduled. Or if you're sending it now, when you hit that big blue button, you're going to review it and you're just going to send that email out, and it'll go out instantly to everybody on your list. Highly recommend that you take advantage of this tool. If you're not using email marketing in your business, this is something that you could do on a weekly basis that might drive a couple more jobs to you. Even if it brought in an extra job or two a week, I think it would be worth sending an email. This is also the kind of thing that you could do in bulk. You could batch create these emails. In my fever dream fantasy, you could write an entire year's worth of emails for your cleaning business using AI, and then schedule them all in here in advance, and then just send an email out every single week on autopilot. That would be super cool. Maybe you want to do that like a month in advance or 3 months in advance, just kind of batch your emails and schedule them. That's a super organized way to do this. Another really pro tip for you, if you're thinking about hiring somebody for your business this year, maybe you're even thinking about hiring a virtual assistant, maybe even an offshore VA, somebody from like the Philippines or somewhere like that, and you're thinking of work that person could do for your cleaning business, this is the kind of work they could do for you. They could help you write and schedule and send these emails every week and stay on top of your email list and stay in contact with them. And like I said, if you send a weekly email to your list and that nets you just 1 or 2 extra jobs a week, I think it's probably worth it. And if you can get it off your plate by batching it, automating it, or delegating it to somebody else on your team, like a virtual assistant, then even better. But the tool's here for you. Use it. If you're not using it, go take advantage of it. There are tons of other features inside of here that you could use. There's the social media tool if you want to schedule social media posts. You can also send out SMS messages. So if you want to send out bulk SMS to your list, everyone who has a valid phone number, you could SMS message them and let them know about specials. You can do that in here as well. You'll need to have a phone number registered though, and that phone number has to be approved for text messaging. There's a process to go through to get registered for that. Reach out to the team if you need help with it. But all these tools are available. I hope you take advantage of them. The email tool is an easy one to get started with, so I hope that maybe you'll start there. And then after you send out your email, by the way, come back like a day or two later and come look in here and see how many emails actually got delivered and opened. You could get fancy after that. You could dig in and you could start to remove people who have invalid emails, people who don't ever open your emails. You could kick them off your list and just go after the most active people, the most likely people to open your emails. You could get crazy with the data in the future. Just get started sending some emails, and then you'll see how many people are opening and responding to your emails, and you can get better at writing, crafting emails every week to get people to open and actually book a service with you. Email is a really popular channel still. People who work white collar jobs, especially, they're usually in their inbox all day, every day while they're at work. And if you can catch them via email, this is a great way to get in front of those people, remind them about your service, and maybe they can click your email, go to your website, and just book an appointment with you using your online booking system. So think about that. Send some emails out this year.